delicious snack was a donut. Now, David, every night as you explain things to me, I feel the confusion slip away and I understand a little bit more. But I am a little bit concerned that even you sometimes can be confused.
I can be, and in fact, occasionally when I turn to this dictionary, I may find a definition that is a little opaque and hard to understand. So I'm going to talk about 3 words that I've turned to consult, and I've come away even more confused. The first is the word parton. Now, I remember her as being a country and western singer for obvious reasons. The word means a hypothetical point-blank object within a proton. I don't know what that means. The other is spathe. S-P-A-T-H-E, so I had a look to see what that meant, and it said a conspicuous bract subtending a spadix.
What is a spadix?
And I looked up spadix and I didn't understand what that meant either. But the last one, it doesn't always have to be technical words or scientific words. The word reveal, which clearly means disclose or unveil, I looked up reveal, and the third definition, I had no idea what it really means, and it says here, it is that part of a door jamb or vertical face of a window included between the face of the wall and that of the frame containing the window or the door. That wasn't revealing.
It certainly wasn't. And I'm not sure that was either, but thank you very much, David. Let's move on to our next letters round after we've had a look at the scores. Avi is on 4, Louise is on 11, and the letter choice this time is yours, Louise.
Thanks, Richard. Lily, can I please have a vowel to start?
Thanks, Louise. E.
And a consonant, please?
C.
A vowel?
O.
Another consonant, please?
G.
Another vowel?
E.
Consonant, please?
M.
Another consonant, please?
D.
A vowel, please?
I.
And one last consonant, please.
And last letter, P.
Thank you, Lily. Here's the clock. How many did you get that time, Louise?
I'm going to go with a 5.
Okay, slightly hesitant 5, but stick with it. Avi,
I also got 5.
what was yours, please?
Coped.
And your 5, Louise?
Modem.
Modem. A little bit of contemporary technology.
Oh,
I think you've just realised, haven't you?
Unfortunately, Louise, of course, only one M, so modem we can't accept. Avi, you've coped beautifully with a 5. You could insert an I into that for copied, and of course these letters have really impeded us. Impede is another possible 6.
So quite a difficult mix, but out of that mix, 5 points for Avi. Well, let's see if we can find some slightly more generous letters this time around, with only 2 points separating Louise and Avi. Avi, it's you to choose.
Thanks, Richard. Lily, can I start with the consonant, please?
Thanks, Avi. R.
And another one?
N.
And a third, please?
R.
And a vowel.
A.
And a second vowel?
I.
And another one, please?
E.
And a consonant.
D.
And another consonant?
S.
And a vowel.
And last letter, A.
And your time starts now. Well, Avi, was that a mix with more possibilities? How many this time?
I got 6.
6, that sounds better. What about you, Louise?
I got a 6 too.
Let's start with yours, Louise.
Sander.
And yours, Avi?
Rained.
Could you spell that?
R-A-I-N-E-D.
Thank you, David.
Perfectly fine. Sander, as in an orbital sander, and rained, as in what we're hoping for this summer, a little bit more anyway. Sardine, a possible 7, and also drainers, those who install culverts or stormwaters, as an 8 there as well.
So, good work there, and terrific scores for both Avi and Louise, 6 points each. It is still very close. Well, after a bit of a challenging start for both Louise and Avi in the first numbers game, let's hope they have spectacular success in this second round of numbers. And Louise, what would you like to choose?
Lily, can I please have 2 large and 4 smalls?
Thanks, Louise. 2 large and 4 small numbers. And starting with the smalls, 9, 6, 1, 3. And the 2 large, 75 and 50. And the target number is 649.
Thanks, Lily. Here's the clock. Well, did that work better for you this time, Louise?
I think it did. I think I got 649.
649, right on target. Let's hope so. We'll come back to you shortly. Avi?
I got 656.
Okay, so you were still within the scoring area, but a little further away than Louise. So, Louise, would you take us through your method, please?
Sure. I multiplied the 9 by 75,
9 by the 75
which is 675.
675.
Then I did 3 plus 1,
3 plus 1,
which is 4,
4.
times 6,
By the 6,
which is 24, and I took that from 675.
which gives you 651.
Oh, okay. So, unfortunately, that's not the target that you declared to us. So, I'm afraid we can't give you that. Avi, you are still within the scoring area, so please take us through your method.
Sure. So I started the same way as Louise, by multiplying 9 by 75.
Yep, so I'll just take it from here.
Then I subtracted 6 by 3
6 by 3, which is 18.
to get 657.
657.
And then I subtracted the 1 to get 656.
Take away the 1, 656.
So, well done, Avi. That is a score for you. Did you get there, Lily?
I did.
Okay.
Okay, I'll talk you through it. 75 minus 3 is 72. By the 9 is 648. Plus the 1, 649.
It looks too easy when you do it. It's not fair. But a good result for Avi, 5 points nevertheless. So our scores still very close indeed. Louise is on 17, Avi is only 3 points ahead on 20. Another brief break and a word mix for you. It's raw clop. And your clue this time, of rank and punishment. See you shortly.